you like it outside, huh? I bet you do. It's only 20 degrees out here, but those guys love the cold weather. Good man. And yet another day to get a Scottish breakfast. Where are you going? Up? Yeah. Greg, where are you going? Down or up?
I'm going to paradise.
Awesome. You don't change your ways.
I don't change my ways for nobody.
Awesome. Well, let's get it done. All right. Well, we're sitting here waiting for Greg to pack down the really deep snow. Once he gets clear, we're going to punch it and get going. His machine's heavier than ours, so we're going to get moving a little faster maybe. I can shift some of the weight towards the back, which helps. Galen's our pilot here, and he's going to get us through, we hope. Right?
I'll do my best.
All right. Okay, my friend, let's hit it.
Here we go.
We made it. How about that? Have got us here, but the snow is super deep. So we're good to go for now. We usually let them run because we don't want to shut them off, never get them running again. You know, fossil fuel engines. Here we are. This is a toolkit that we bring. More importantly, we've got all kinds of hand tools, got a watt meter for measuring RF, and this, my friend, is the most important part. This is bear spray. Don't ever think we're gonna need it, but it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So here it is. It's part of our toolkit, bear spray. The snow is deep. Job done, we're heading out. Should be fun going downhill now. I'll get that transformer.
Yeah. There used to be a flag on it.
This is the Proud Cut Sirloin Steakhouse in Cody, Wyoming. It is awesome.
Cowboy chips.
Yeah. You boys hungry?
Absolutely.
Awesome. I am here in Cody, Wyoming, of all places. I am in the Buffalo Bills Center parking lot, and I have found two Wattzilla 80 amp J1772s here. Yep, standard J1772. Plug that back in. I can do it like that. And here we are. This is a Wild West EV sponsored charger, and it looks like you have to use your Visa to get it going. Looks like there's maybe some kind of GPS or something on the top, and that's not bad. I don't know the power setting, however, but I'm assuming it says 80 amps, so I've never seen an 80 amp J1772 before, but hey, this may be my first. This is Dave, and I'm here in Cody, Wyoming, Buffalo Bills Center.